Now let's look at this question. How long will it take 10,000 naira invested at 8% simple interest to earn 2,400 naira? You can see the interest that is expected to earn is 2,400, and our formula says interest, which is the interest, is equal to principal times time times rate all over 100. So we have the principal here. We have the interest as 2,400. 2,400 is equal to, principal is 10,000. 10,000 times rate is 8% times time all over 100. So let's divide this 0 cross this 0, this 0 cross this 0. We have 100 times 8 times t. Look at it, 100 times 8 times t. So 100 times 8 is 800 times t, that is 800 t. So we have 2,400. 2,400 is equal to 800 t. So find what t is our time. We simply do divide by 800. So I'll divide all by 800, and I'll divide this by 800. So 800 will cross this 800. We have t remaining, and we have 2,400 divided by 800. 0 cross 0, 0 cross 0. 2,024 divided by 8 is 3. 24 divided 8 divided by 8 is 1. So our t is equal to 3. Remember, t is always in years, so we have 3 years. Very simple. Our next question. A sum of 8,000 naira earns a simple interest of 1,200 naira in 3 years. Find the interest rate. Find the rate of interest. That's, we are looking for R in this case. R is equal to principal times R times time all over 100. In this case, our interest is 1,200 naira. 1,200 is equal to, principal is what? 8,000. The principal is 8,000, is equal to 8,000 times 3 times R times 3 times R. Don't mind my screen. All over 100. So now I'll divide. 0 will cross 0. This 0 will cross 0. We have 80 times 3 times R. That's 1,200 is equal to 80 times 3 times R. Multiply it, you get 1,200 is equal to 240. 80 times 3 is 240 times R, 240 R. So now to calculate for R, you have to divide both sides by 240. So divided by 240. 240. This will cross this. We have R remaining. So 1,200 divided by 240. 0 will cross 0. We have 1,120 times divided by 24. Pause this video and divide it and play it to see if you get the answer. So have you multiplied it? What did you get? Our R is equal to 5. Remember, R is always in percentage. 5%. R is always in percentage. Y time is always in years. So when you're solving for R, after getting your answer, put it in percentage. And we're solving for time. The same way you can solve for time. Just when you're giving R, you can solve for time, and your time will be in years.